Okay guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. And right now we are opening up about 240 of these packs, bro. Hold on, guys.
Hello.
No, guys.
Hello.
Alright.
Hello.
I'll be right back, guys. Hold on. Okay, guys, I'm back. Alright, so we have 240 of these packs of Pro Packs. They bring back Pro Packs, so I'm like, why not make a video on it? Which I am doing right now. So if the video right now, I may be just speeding it up. I do not know yet, but we have 240 of these packs. Wow, it took me a long time to set it up, bro. By just buying it, putting it in my items. You know, we could pull legends out of these, guys. We could pull legends. So far, no elites yet. No, really costs down right there, bro. So yeah. I spent like 1.4 million, maybe 1.5 million, just on Pro Packs, bro. I was gonna do more, but it took me a while just to do about a very long time. So yeah, 1, 2, 3. Come on, Tyreek Evans. Boy, imagine we get no elites. Come on. I'd just be speeding up the video by now. There we go, finally an Anthony Davis. Finally. I don't know if I'll be speeding up the video, probably yeah. So far we had 240 packs. It took us about 31 or 30, no, actually 38 packs almost. Not 38, 31 packs, 30 packs, I don't know. It took us just to get one elite player. But they finally bring these packs back. There's no more Summer Crush packs. Oh, actually we get a throwback player. Not an elite. Hold on, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. Almost about 50 packs in. This video is not too long. Like 10, like maybe 15 minutes. Or less. Then I'm not gonna just rewind it. Maybe I will. Come on, I know. Nothing but that Anthony Davis. Hoping for a legend. Oh, DeAndre Jordan right there. Let's go, boys. Oh, back to back. Sorry, I skipped it, but on accident. But we pulled this Tony Allen back to back elite pack, bro. So far, 3 elites. Expecting way more. 6 trophy packs. Here we snag. Nope, just KP. The only good player in the Knicks right now. Come on, I want a legend right now, boy. I just want a legend. About 100. I probably do have. So how much was there? 240. All right, I'll make 2 videos on these then. 240. So 240 that's 120. So at 120, I'm stopping this video and gonna be making another one. Like ba ba ba. Boom. Okay, come on. Bang. Oh, a curve. Can't conceal player visible. Throwback visible. Legend. Emmanuel Moutier. Rising Stars. You have about 35 packs left. 35. 55. Oh, yeah, John Henson. Okay. Okay. Come on. Come on, come on. With earphones. That was an accident. We about almost done with this pack opening. With this first part 1. Come on, so far about 3 leads. Come on, looking for a legend. Throwback Boris Diaz. Aaron Gordon. Oh, I'm sorry. Man, why do I keep doing that? Jarrell Martin. Summer League. You could pull Summer Leagues out of these. Back-to-back elites again. Anthony Davis. Let's go. So we pulled back-to-back before. We pulled back-to-back again. We pulled back-to... No. We pulled 83, though. He's technically like an elite. No, not Jared Jack. Jared Jack is garbage. For TV, about almost done with this pack opening. $30 more packs. Okay. How long are we in this video? Almost 10 minutes. So that'll be about 20 minutes if I'm opening up 240 packs, half of it 10 minutes. So almost close to done. Oh, a Timothy Louis Carrot. Another Summer League player. We can pull back to back. Wait, I know we were playing back to back. Because we were going under the bench maybe now. But, bro, Summer League players. Look, was I just like, right here we pulled him. So yeah. And we pulled freaking elites, bro. Boom. Nope, we didn't. But we did pull almost back to back. It was just one pack short. Bang. Almost done. Oh, 2 golds. We almost have about 15 packs left, and then I'm going to do part 2 later today. We pulled about so far, counting 6 elites. Almost. About 11 packs left. Close to done. 10 packs now. Last pack into part 2. Bang. Okay, I pulled about 5 leads right there. I wanna show you. 120 packs. 124 packs left, bro. So part 2 will be coming out tonight. Alright, I want you guys to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like these, and peace.